Hi, I'm Dave Fulmer, and today I want to show you how to load or copy a ready-made shared campaign into your All-in-One Profits Autoresponders series. This autoresponder feature is available to all the users in All-in-One Profits. However, basic level members cannot create shared campaigns. All they can do is load or copy ready-made shared campaigns. When you join All-in-One Profits, you automatically receive an AIOP Response Autoresponder account based on your chosen user ID. User ID being this, in my case, Dave AIOP is my user ID. First of all, let's describe a campaign. A campaign is a system where you can set up an autoresponder, which is a series of automatic follow-up letters, and then you can create a sign-up form and attach it to a lead capture page to lead prospects to your autoresponder and build your list. The lead capture page, which is also known as a squeeze page, is a web page with a lead capture form with the purpose of creating interest and then a call to action. That action by the prospect usually would be to submit their information to receive messages from your autoresponder. Your initial campaign isn't set up with either pages, nor does it have any messages in the autoresponder. You have to install your own messages for whatever niche you wish to promote. If you intend to promote AIOP, the company has provided a ready-made campaign with several splash and lead capture pages, along with 19 messages installed in the autoresponder, and they have shared it with all users. You can load or copy the company ready-made campaigns into your autoresponder, or it is possible to load a campaign from a sponsor or team leader that you may be following. This PDF and associated video shows you how to get your AIOP company ready-made campaign set up and have all your subscribers added to your own list. So what you do to get started is you click on autoresponders, and what you will see is this once it loads. Note that at the top corner, left corner, it shows your active campaign. After you have created a few campaigns, then you will get a list in your back office. Whenever you log into your back office, it starts out with the default campaign that the company provided. And if you wish to work in a different campaign, you have to make that campaign active. You do that by clicking on Edit Campaigns and choose from the list. Press the Go button once you choose from list. Now, as you see, when you first start out, all you have is the one campaign that doesn't have any message or anything in it. And but normally what you would do is you click the Go button over here, and it would take you to the campaign that you want to edit or change. I'd like to really warn you, whatever action you take, be sure that you're active in the proper campaign. To load your ready-made campaign, what you want to do is click on Ready-Made Campaigns. If you would need to make a shared campaign, you'd click on Make a Shared Campaign, but you're just copying in this case, so just click on Ready-Made Campaigns for now. And A ready-made campaign can be shared public, so all users will see it, or can be shared hidden. Then you would need a shared campaign number uh, for your from your sponsor or team leader to be loaded. The company ready-made campaign is public shared and needs no number to copy it. So what you do is you would make sure your copy action is selected, and then you would put your campaign ID in the first box, and only you will see this. It's not available to anybody else to see this. And I'm just going to use AIOP for my campaign. You can use anything that you decide that you want to use. Your campaign name is your name, and your subscribers will see this. Use your email address that you want to use for the campaign. It can be the same as all your other campaigns. And so we're just going to fill in an email address, user name or ID. In my case, it's Dave AIOP. Leave this blank because this is a public shared campaign from the company, and all we have to do is click submit. And now what you see in your campaigns is the new campaign that you just set up, and then you can you'll also be able to let's click on go. If you notice up here, it still shows your default. Yeah, it just shows your default. So what you want to do is you want to click on go. And then you would click on autoresponders for once you are in the, but it hasn't gone to that yet. Sorry about that. There we go. Notice now that it's changed to the new campaign, and first thing I want you to see is a list of all the splash and capture pages that you have for this campaign. And you can just copy and paste these into your browsers and see what this is. And when you advertise that and promote that page, it will have your user referral, and prospects would be led to your list. And then if you click on the autoresponders, and then click on edit, watch your active campaign, click on edit responders, and you'll see a list of the 19 messages that are in the autoresponders series. You can select a message for editing. Let's take, for instance, but first let's just take a look at what these numbers, day one and this sort of thing. The very first message will be given to your prospect instantly upon them confirming that they want to receive your messages from their email address. So you select the message and then click the select. You, you just select the circle and then you select the message button and scroll down and your message will load, and there you can see the message and you can do editing and anything that you want to do. What I want you to note is the variables. The reason why these messages are all set up for you is because they use variables like first name. In the links to your referral links, it'll use your user, and down at the bottom it'll put your name in it, the username, and the user email address for salutation. And those are all described down here. You can use all of these variables in your email messages. Another thing I want you to notice is that when your message type will show up what it is. Now in this case we're HTML enhanced, and that shows up because it's black bolded, and also you'll see the HTML bar here that you can do things with your message, and that provides the different features of the message. It'll provide the links. You're able to put colors in. You can change the size of the letters by going to different font sizes, and you can actually change the font family to various font families, and you can bold, you can italicize, and all that sort of thing in HTML messages. So I really advise you to go through the messages, make sure that it says what you want to do, and but as they stand, you're ready to go with this, and that about takes care of it. Thank you much.